Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the physical properties of haloarenes. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of haloarenes. First of all, before studying about the chemical properties, we need to know the reactivity of haloarenes, and also we have to compare the reactivity of haloarenes and haloalkanes. In previous video, we have discussed that haloalkanes are more reactive, and the reactivity of haloalkanes due to the polar nature of carbon halogen bond present in haloalkanes, and due to the more polar nature of carbon halogen bond, a variety of nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place in haloalkanes we have studied. But today we will discuss about the haloarenes and how the haloarenes is less reactive as compared to haloalkanes towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. There are three reasons that is responsible for the lesser reactivity of haloarenes. Now let us see first is written resonance stabilization. First of all, we should know what is the resonance stabilization and what is the resonance structure. You know very well, resonance structure are formed due to the delocalization of pi electron or non-pair of electron present in the structure and form more than one structure. It's called resonance structure. Okay? After resonance structure, we can find out the stability on the basis of resonance of that particular structure. Today, let us see. Now taking here an example, we have chlorobenzene. Suppose we have chlorobenzene, and you can see here is carbon, here is halogen, and halogen atom here taken is chlorine. Now you know 3 lone pair of electron remaining on the chlorine, because you know chlorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell and 1 form covalent bond with the sharing of electron between carbon and chlorine, and 6 electrons remaining on the chlorine. Now due to delocalization of this chlorine lone pair of electron and pi electron situated in the benzene ring, it forms another canonical structure like this. Okay, negative charge will get this carbon atom, and double bond will be carbon and chlorine, and also chlorine has 2 lone pair and 1 positive charge. 1 positive charge due to the donation of electron towards the carbon in the benzene ring, and 2 bonds are here. Once again delocalize this like this to form another structure. In this condition, the negative charge at this position, and here is double bond. Here already double bond is present. Now double bond and chlorine, 2 lone pair of electron and positive charge. After delocalizations, once again this bond is formed like this. You can see the negative charge where this carbon atom and chlorine, 2 lone pair of electron and one positive charge, and double bond between here and this carbon. Okay, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 structure. This is known as canonical structure. In these structure, you can see the double bond between carbon and chlorine. Carbon and chlorine. Due to the resonance forming resonance structure, canonical structure, the bond strength are greater between carbon and chlorine due to the double bond character. You can see here double bond character get on carbon and chlorine. Due to double bond character, the bond strength is high, and if bond strength is high, that means reactivity is low. Due to the forming double bond and the double bond observed by X-ray diffraction. Okay, in case of chlorobenzene, it is found the bond length between carbon and chlorine is 1.69 angstrom, while in case of ethyl chloride, or you can say C2, write as Cl, bond angle is 1.82 angstrom, and this is observed by the X-ray diffraction. So due to the shortening of bond between carbon and chlorine in chlorobenzene or any halogen compound or any haloarenes, the reactivity of haloarenes decreases. Okay, now this is the one factor which causes the less reactivity of haloarenes. Second one is hybridization state of carbon halogen bond. Okay, now once again we are drawing the structure of haloarenes like this. Okay, or you can write here halogen atom, any halogen atom, fluorine, bromine, etc. Okay. Now you know the hybridization state of carbon in carbon halogen bond is sp2 in case of haloarenes, and in haloalkanes the hybridization state of carbon in haloalkane is sp3. In case of haloarenes, sp2 hybridization of this carbon atom attached to halogen atom. Due to this, the carbon in haloarenes is more electronegative compared to carbon in carbon halogen bond in haloalkanes. That is the reason, due to more electronegative nature of carbon in haloarenes, they have a great tendency to hold the shared pair of electrons. Due to this, once again this reduces the reactivity of haloarenes. Okay, one thing is, in these conditions the S character is maximum. Okay, and due to S character is maximum, this carbon is more electronegative than this carbon, and due to this, once again it reduces the reactivity of haloarene. Third one is polarity. You know The less polarity is also responsible for the reactivity of haloaries. Less polarity is due to the formation of double bond. You can see here double bond character in carbon halogen bond. Carbon halogen bond in haloaries. Haloaries. Okay. Due to more electronegative, they are less tendency to donate the shared pair of electron towards the halogen atom. Due to this, it is less reactive as compared to this carbon atom, or you can say this carbon atom has higher electronegative as compared to sp3 carbon in carbon halogen bond in haloalkane. So these are the reason of less reactivity of haloaries. So we can easily compare the reactivity of haloalkanes and haloaries. The reactivity of haloaries due to the 3 points: resonance stabilization. Due to resonance stabilization, carbon halogen bond get double bond character, and if double bond character, bond length is shortened, and if bond length is shortened, the reactivity is less. That means bond dissociation energy is high. If the bond dissociation energy is high, that means reactivity is less. Second one is hybridization state. You know, the hybridization state also play an important role for the reactivity of that particular compound. In case of haloaries, the carbon atom attached to halogen atom is sp2 hybridized state, and in case of haloalkanes, the carbon attached to halogen atom is sp3 hybridized state, and it is sp2 hybridized state, so it is S character is maximum, and due to S character is maximum, the carbon is more electronegative is compared to the carbon of haloalkanes. Okay, so once again this reduces the reactivity of the haloaries toward the nucleophilic substitution reaction. And third one is polarity. Polarity also plays an important role for the reactivity of that particular elements, particular compounds, and here the less polarity of carbon is due to the holding electron towards more strongly as compared to this compound in haloalkanes. Okay, so this is less polar because more electronegative and forming double bond. Once again it shorten the bond length between the carbon and halogen. Due to these are the main factor which causes the less reactivity of haloaries. If we are getting the what is the less reactivity, then we can easily understood how to haloaries react to different kinds of substances to form different kind of product. Okay. Now in next video we will discuss the different kinds of reactivity of haloaries, and where we will not discuss the nucleophilic substitution. This is why due to this reason the haloaries give electrophilic substitution reactions rather than nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay dear student, I think you got it, and next video we will discuss the all reactivity of haloaries. Okay, thank you, all the best.